Hi guys, it's Kennedy here from St.Albert Dodge, showcasing this beautiful 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. Looking at this vehicle, it is in this brilliant black color with the classic LED headlights and fog lights. We have the color match front bumper, along with all of our ParkSense front sensors to keep you safe while you're driving. Moving along to the side here, we have our lovely Bridgestone tires with the blacked out rims, and these tires here have plenty of tread left on them for all of your upcoming adventures. Looking at the mirrors here, they are heated and they do have blind spot monitoring. We have our keyless passive entry right here. Moving along to the back, we have our classic LED taillights along with our back ParkSense sensors and our high definition backup camera. We also have a power lift gate and plenty of storage in the back for all of your daily needs. This does also come equipped with a subwoofer and a 12-volt converter. Looking underneath here, we have our spare tire and some other storage as well. Join me on the inside for more. Thanks for joining me on the inside, guys. Looking over to the door panel here, we have our power windows, our power mirrors, and our power locking system. We have our headlight controls over here. They are automatic as long as that switch stays on the auto setting. We have our Bluetooth controls in the steering wheel as well as our cruise control settings. We have a beautiful cluster dash display, completely in color and electronic. Moving into the screen here, we have all of the features you could possibly imagine. You have your Sirius XM and Media Hub right here. You have your climate control settings on this screen, as well as all of your apps, including Sirius XM SOS, Guardian, Hotspot. You have your off-road pages and your backup camera as well. This vehicle comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your volume settings right here, as well as your dual climate control here. You have all of your safety features that you can disable down here. You have your lane departure warning, your ParkSense, and you also have your Eco and Sport mode. Looking in this little cubby right here, you have your 2 USB ports as well as an auxiliary port and your 12-volt converter as well. There's plenty of storage in this vehicle. In the center console, you have your 2 trays, as well as your glove box right here. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, please give us a call or come down to the dealership.